My name is Ja. I work for Mighty Buildings, and we are in Orange County today. And right behind me, you're going to see our 3D printed studio.
Hi, my name is Jennifer. I'm the owner of this lot. It was my dream. Because I'm getting old, I don't need a big house. I need a more small place. Everything in there is so cozy and nice. Exactly, it was my dream come true home.
People are super excited about 3D printing because it's mind-boggling. 3D printed homes, it's a new concept even for me.
Yeah, it is something futuristic, right?
So this is our 350 square feet studio. It is our smallest model and it's 25 by 14. Everything within the home comes with, other than the furniture, all the interior finishes, all the appliances, including washer and dryer. And the flooring will be LVP, and then the siding you see behind me is fiber cement, so it's more fire rated.
Very good people. Very, very good people. Very honest. I want everybody come to see this home. They love it.